Do you desperately need wireless signal, but only have an Ethernet cable and a power plug? Check out StarTech's wireless travel router. Stick around to find out more. So to start off the product tour, we're going to be looking at the box. So this is the StarTech wireless travel router. And basically it's a very small device that goes on the back of an iPad wall wart or a standard Apple wall wart and allows you to have wireless connectivity with just an Ethernet cable and a power plug. You can obviously stop the video at any point just to see any close-ups or rewind the video if you need any help with anything. Now, all you need is one of these standard Apple wall warts, or it does come with a USB cable, a USB extender cable, which allows you to plug in any other wall wart or powered USB plug, which is really fantastic. Now the idea of this, or the premise of this product, is if you only have an Ethernet cable and a power plug, but you need wireless connectivity for something like your iPad, but also want to charge the device, things like your iPad or your phone while you're using them on the wireless, that's possible. Now the sort of presumption or the situation that they said, or StarTech said on their website, was that if you're a business or something and you just don't have the best wireless signal in your conference room or something, you often are provided with a wired internet connection and a power plug, so you could use that, plug it in, and then you can serve internet to something like your iPad or your phone in that room. Now there's the RJ45 port on the bottom of the device, and in a sec we'll be showing you the male USB port, and it also shows the default IP of 10.10.1.1. So if you want to go and manage the device, which is the very limited availability of manageability, I guess, you can try that out. It's also got the female USB port on the back, where you can charge your devices, which we'll be showing in just a moment. Now this is what it looks like with Ethernet cable plugged in. I'll talk about the LED and its functions in just a moment, but basically the idea is you plug your Ethernet cable in and you get wireless signal. It's really quick to start up. It only takes a few minutes from just plugging it in and plugging the Ethernet cable in to actually having internet. Now this is just me showing the HTC hub or the HTC wall wart and how it works with the extender cable. It's not as pretty as the iPad wall wart, but it does work. Now, as I said, this device is also great for serving internet as well as charging things like iPads or phones. Now, as you can see, I'm charging the Moto G, and check out the review on the Moto G as well. We've got one, and we should also have a showcase coming up soon. Or roundup, what we like and don't like about it. Now the product itself is very easy to set up. All you need to go and do is in your settings, select the com.y underscore and then a number, and just make sure you have that tick and that Wi-Fi logo, and you're all set. There's no password on the device. I don't believe you can set up a password on the device, although I may be wrong because, I'm not infallible sometimes. Now just to show you that I do definitely have internet connection, here's the Tech Team GB page. We're going to load a video, and I'm very sorry for the speed of this video and the loading speed. This isn't the device, this isn't my internet, this is my iPad. It's a first generation iPad, so very sorry. But yes, otherwise, if you haven't seen this week's episode of The Weekly Tech, definitely check it out. Hopefully there'll be an annotation on the screen. Otherwise, I'm going to do a quick outro in just a moment to conclude everything, and yeah, just definitely stick around. Alright, so just to round the video up, we're going to be talking a little bit more about the versatility of the device. Now, as I said, it's very versatile for its price tag, which is currently around about £30 in the UK, on Amazon as of January 2014. Now, big thanks to StarTech for sending us this product. It's a really, really great product, and it's just fantastic that you're able to serve multiple devices with data, including things like phones and iPads, and just anything with a wireless connection, really. And obviously, if, for example, you didn't want to plug in, your an Ethernet cable to your laptop, or you have an Ultrabook which doesn't have an Ethernet port, then you can use this device as well. Now, what you could do as a business maybe is if you want your, people who are coming to your boardroom, having meetings and stuff, if you want them to be able to access, internet while you're in that, in the boardroom, or if you, as I said, if you maybe want to stream a presentation, you could just buy one of these devices, plug it into the center of the table, and or plug it into the wall with an Ethernet cable, and away you go. You've got a fantastic internet connection for anyone who has a wireless device. And obviously, as I said, it's a fantastically versatile device because not only can you use the standard Apple power brick, but it also gives you, or it also comes with the USB extension cable, which allows you to use the third-party power bricks or power using the USB ports if you have, for example, a USB 3 port that provides power. Now, as I said, you can serve multiple devices. I'm not sure what the limit is, but I'm fairly certain that it's just whatever standard limit there is for wireless devices, which I would assume is probably around about 200. Although I'm not sure with this sort of device, with the price range that it's at, what sort of compatibility it has. But it definitely works from at least 2 devices at the same time, so that's fine with me. Otherwise, it's great speeds because it's wireless and otherwise, obviously the great price as well. So otherwise, that's pretty much it from me. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, which is down here somewhere. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button, which is also down there somewhere. But let us know what you did or didn't like about the video. Also, if you have any of those suggestions for what other uses this might have, let us know in the comments below, and we'll have a look. If you have any questions about this device, anything you want to know or see, then definitely check out the description, the comments below, and we will answer those as soon as we can. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. As I said, if you enjoy this video, subscribe, because we love to give you awesome content. And as I said, if there's anything you did or didn't like about the video, let us know in the comments below, as it helps us improve the show and it gets us to make the content you want to see. So otherwise, see you all next week.